Good morning, children. Welcome to class 1 computers, children. In our previous video, we were doing chapter 3. We have completed chapter 3. We have completed book exercise also. So, children, before going to the next chapter, let us do some extra questions or let us solve the worksheet from these three chapters, that is chapter 1, 2 and 3. So, children, as we know, in these three chapters we came across certain difficult words. So let us discuss these words firstly, and then we will solve the worksheet from chapter 1 and 2. Today we will solve worksheet from chapter 1 and 2, and in next video we will be solving worksheet from chapter 3 also. So children, let us start. So children, our first chapter was computer, a magic machine. So in this chapter, firstly we came across some difficult words, that is, we can say new words. We will learn these words. So children, here some words are, for example, computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. So our first word is computer, and then we have magic, then we have M-A-G-I-C, magic. Computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. M-A-G-I-C, magic. Then we have third word, that is machine, M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Then children, fourth one is smart, S-M-A-R-T, smart. Then children, we also have our next word is man-made. Fifth word is man, M-A-N, man, M-A-D-E, made. Then sixth word is children, D-E-V-I-C-E, device. Seventh word is children, nature, N-A-T-U-R-E, nature. And then children, next word is 8 is easy. Then we have natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural. Tenth word is things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Then we have 11, manual, M-A-N-U-A-L, manual. And then in 12 we have electronic, E-L-C-T-R-O-N-I-C, electronic. Then we have children, manual, electronic. And then we have 30, entertainment. Then we have entertainment. Then we have children, after entertainment we have remember. 14 we have remember. 15 we have mistake. We have mistake. Then children, these are the words which we have come across in the chapter. So children, let us read and revise these words. We have once learned these words. Let us read and revise once again, and then we will solve the worksheet. So firstly children, computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. Then you have to write and learn these spellings. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. M-A-G-I-C, magic. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Then we have S-M-A-R-T, smart. M-A-N, man. M-A-D-E, made. D-E-V-I-C-E, device. Then we have N-A-T-U-R-E, nature. Then we have E-A-S-Y, easy. Then we have N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. We have M-A-N-U-A-L, manual. E-L-E C-T-R-O-N-I-C, electronic. E-N-T-E-R, enter. T-A-I-N-M-E-N-T, ment, entertainment. Then we have R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R, remember. M-I-S-T-A-K-E, mistakes. So here children, you can see these are the words which we have come across in the chapter, as well as we are going to use these words in solving the worksheet also. तो ये सारे वर्ड्स हैं जहाँ पे हमें इन सारे वर्ड्स को ही यूज़ करके वर्कशीट को भी सॉल्व करना है. सो वी शुड नो अबाउट दीज वर्ड्स चिल्ड्रन. फर्स्टली कंप्यूटर का मतलब आप सभी को मालूम है. इट इज़ अ स्मार्ट मशीन और यू कैन से इट इज़ एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन. देन चिल्ड्रन, मैजिक कंप्यूटर. द वर्किंग ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर इज जस्ट लाइक अ मैजिक, जिसे हम जादू कहते हैं. देन चिल्ड्रन, मशीन, एज आई टोल्ड यू, मशीन इज अ डिवाइस विच मेक आवर वर्क ईजी. देन चिल्ड्रन, स्मार्ट. Smart is something which does any work very fast and very accurately. So computer is one of the machine which can do many tasks for us, which is very fast and it performs any work very correctly or accurately. Then man-made का मतलब होता है the something which is made by man, कोई भी चीज़ जिसे man ने बनाया है. उसके बाद डिवाइस. डिवाइस हम मशीन को ही कहते हैं. कोई भी डिवाइस जो हमारा काम, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जो हमारे काम को आसान करती है, उसे हम डिवाइस कहते हैं. देन नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज 7, नेचर. एज वी नो चिल्ड्रन, नेचर, एयर, वाटर, प्लांट्स, फ्लावर्स, बटरफ्लाई, एनिमल्स, ऑल दीज टुगेदर फॉर्म नेचर. सो N-A-T-U-R-E, nature. E-A-S-Y, easy. Children, something which is done very easily. कोई भी चीज़ जो बहुत आसान होती है. आसान, easy का मतलब आसान होता है. तो कंप्यूटर क्या है या मशीन क्या है, हमारे काम को आसान बना देती है. तो फॉर दैट वी यूज वर्ड easy, E-A-S-Y, easy. Then natural children. What is this natural? As the name you can see, it has come from nature. Something which is created by nature is called natural. तो क्या क्या चीज़ें नेचर ने बनाई है? क्लाउड्स, माउंटेन, रिवर, देन बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स, ह्यूमन बीइंग, ऑल दीज आर नेचुरल. सो वी कैन कॉल इट एज नेचुरल बिकॉज दीज थिंग्स आर क्रिएटेड बाय नेचर. ऑल दोज थिंग्स विच आर क्रिएटेड बाय नेचर इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल. देन वी हैव थिंग्स, T-H-I-N-G-S, थिंग्स. चीज़ें, सामान, एनी ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड थिंग्स. किसी भी सामान को हम थिंग्स कहते हैं या किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को हम थिंग्स कह सकते हैं. देन मैनुअल, मैन प्लस यूएल चिल्ड्रन, समथिंग मेड बाय मैन, या सॉरी समथिंग रन बाय मैन इज कॉल्ड मैनुअल. कोई भी चीज़ जो मैन चलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन से साइकिल इज रन बाय मैन, टाइपराइटर is run by man. So any object which is run by man is called manual. Then electronic, E-L-E-C-T-R-O-N-I-C, electronic. So electronic means any object which is run by electricity is called electronic. Same as computer, refrigerator, television, all these are run by electricity. That is why it is known as electronic. Then children, entertainment. 13, E-N-T-E-R-T-A-I-N-M-E-N-T, entertainment. So children, हम मन बहलाना, हाँ टाइम पास करना, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट या कोई भी मशीन जो हमारा मन बहलाता है या फिर हमें हमारा टाइम पास कराता है और हमें एंजॉय कराता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एंटरटेनमेंट. तो एंजॉयमेंट या फिर टाइम पास करना और हैप्पी मूड में या अपने एंजॉयबल वेज में, तो उसे हम एंटरटेनमेंट कहते हैं. ऐसा कोई काम जिसे करके हमें अच्छा लगता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एंटरटेनमेंट. तो हियर ऑल्सो entertainment is a word. We talk about entertainment in this chapter because children, there are some machines which entertain us, जो हमारा entertainment करते हैं. जैसे टीवी हो गया, then टीवी से हम मूवी देखते हैं. कंप्यूटर हो गया, we can watch movie, we can listen to the music. तो ये सारी चीज़ों से हमारा entertainment होता है. तो entertainment means मन बहलाना या मनोरंजन करना. Then children, remember का मतलब याद रखना. रिमेंबर मीन्स याद रखना. उसके बाद मिस्टेक यानी गलतियाँ. एज वी नो चिल्ड्रन, कंप्यूटर्स नेवर मेक मिस्टेक्स एंड इट रिमेंबर्स एवरीथिंग. तो हियर आर दीज सम वर्ड्स चिल्ड्रन विच वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इन आर worksheet. So while solving the worksheet, we'll be using these words. So let us start our worksheet. Before that, once again, let us read these words and understand. So children, computer, computer, magic, magic, machine, machine, smart, smart, man, made, device, nature, nature, easy, natural, natural, things, manual. Then we have electronic, ectronic, electronic. Then we have entertainment, entertainment. Then we have remember, mistakes. So children, before also we have mentioned these words and I asked you to learn, and most of the words you must have learned also. So children, go through these words and learn it. So children, let us start. We'll start our worksheet. Let's start our worksheet, children. That is worksheet from chapter 1 and 2. Most probably we will be doing firstly from chapter 1. So children, here are some questions from chapter 1. Question number 1, we have tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. So question number A, tick. Here we have EICK, tick the CORRECT, correct option. So firstly we have, first question is children, as you have studied in chapter 1 children, that is a machine is a dash device. Dash device. A machine is a dash device. So options are children. Option A, animal made. Secondly, B, we have, there is a box in front of first word. B, we have man made. And thirdly we have, that is C, we have bird made. So children, what is the answer? Animal made, man made, bird made. So children, what is the answer? As we know, a machine is a dash device, a machine is a animal made, man made or bird made. What is the answer? Is it made by animal? Is it made by man? Or is it made by birds? So children, computer is a man-made machine. So you will put a tick over here and write here MAN MAD, made. A computer is made by man. So you will write here, a computer is a man-made device. Yeah, a machine is a man-made device, not a computer. यहाँ पे हमने machine word का use किया. A machine is a man-made device. Then secondly, children, we have created things created by things created by nature is called is dash. Things created by nature is dash. So A may we have man-made, B we have homemade, we have, in C we have children, natural. Natural. So children, things created by nature is man-made, homemade or natural. Things created by nature is man-made, homemade or natural. So the answer is natural. So you will write here natural. The things which are created by nature is called natural. So answer is natural. So these are first two questions, children. Firstly, we have a machine is a man-made device. A machine is a man-made device. As we know, children, a machine is a man-made device. Similarly, children, things created by nature is natural. Is called भी लिख सकते हैं या is natural, वो natural होता है. तो things created by nature is natural. So children, is it man-made, homemade or natural? तो answer is natural. So let us do next one, children. हमारा next question है now. So third one, children. C dash machines are run by man. Dash machines are run by man. So options are, children, A. In A we have electronic. Second we have B we have manual. Yeah, C we have automatic. So in C we have automatic. So children, dash machines are run by man. What type of machines are run by man? Is it electronic? What is electronic machine? As we know, children, electronic machines are run by electricity. So these are not run by man. Electronic machines are run by electricity. So these are not run by man. So this is not the answer. Manual. Manual means a machine which is run by man. So this is answer is manual. A machine that is run by man. So children, answer is manual. Here you will write M as the word comes at the beginning of the sentence. You will write with capital letter. Manual. Manual sentence का first letter है. So you will write with capital letter. Electronic, manual or automatic. Manual machines are run by man. So you will write manual. Then children, D. Question number D. In question number D, children, we have dash machines are run by electricity. Dash machines are run by electricity. Dash machines are run by electricity. So children, option number A, that is manual. B, automatic, or C is electronic. So children, as we know, electronic word has come from electricity. So the answer is electronic. The machine which is run by electricity is called electronic. So you will put a tick in front of electronic and write here ELECTRONIC. Electronic machines are run by electricity. So children, as we know, there are different types of machines which are run by electricity, and all these machines which run using the electricity are called electronic machines. So we have studied about different types of machine. For example, refrigerator, fridge, then washing machine, oven, or a fan, cooler, AC. All these are machines and these are run by electricity. So these can be called as electronic machine. So here children, all the machines which are run by electricity are called electronic machines. Manual means which is run by man. Something which is run by man is called manual. So manual machines are run by man, whereas electronic machines are run by electricity. So coming to the next one children. Next question is, machines that helps you to move. Machines that help you to move. That is A, TV, B, typewriter, C, machines that help you to move. So children, which is the machine that help you to move? Means a machine that helps you move from one place to another. That is a bus. So TV entertains us, typewriter helps in typing, whereas bus helps in moving from one place to another. Using a bus, you can move from one place to another. So here you will put a tick in front of bus. Then F children, next question is F, machine that helps you to do work with ease. Machine, M-A-C-H-I-N-E-S, machines that, T-H-A-T, that helps you to work with ease. So children, a machine that helps you to work with ease. So here option A is vacuum cleaner, B is car, or C is TV. C is TV. So what is the correct answer children? Machine that helps you to work with ease. Is it vacuum cleaner, car, or television? So children, a machine that helps you to work with ease, जो हमारा काम आसान बनाता है, that machine is vacuum cleaner. So you will put a tick in front of vacuum cleaner. Machine that makes your work easy or that helps you to do your work with ease. आप आसानी से काम कर लेते हो या फिर आपका काम आसान बना देता है, तो that is vacuum cleaner. कार हमारा काम नहीं करता, हमें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने में हेल्प करता है. टेलीविजन हमारा एंटरटेनमेंट करता है, बट वैक्यूम क्लीनर makes our work easy and we can do the work with ease. With this children, we have completed F also. Machine that helps you to move, TV, typewriter, or bus. So answer is bus. Bus is the machine that helps you to move. Then machine that helps you to work with ease. Machine that helps you to do work ease is vacuum cleaner. So children, with this we have completed F also. Now we will do G. So children, next one is G. A dash can play games for you. A dash can play games for you. A dash can play games for you. That is A option, computer. B, washing machine. और C में हो सकता है bicycle. So children, a dash can play games for you. What is that which can play games for you, children? Computer, washing machine or bicycle. As we know, children, we can play games with computer. So the answer is computer. A computer can play games for you. So you will put a tick here and write here COMPUTER, computer. A computer can play games for you. So children, this is question number D. Now coming to question number H. H may we have, children, computer can dash many things. Computer can dash many things. So answer A, remember. B है wash और C में है dry. So children, a remember can dash many things. Computer can dash many things. Computer can remember many things. As we know, children, computer is a smart machine. It can remember many things. We cannot remember many things, but a computer can remember many things. We may or may not. हम कभी-कभी हमें चीज़ें याद रहती हैं, कभी-कभी कुछ हम भूल जाते हैं. As the time passes, समय के साथ हम कुछ चीज़ों को बहुत सारी चीज़ों को याद भी रखते हैं और कभी-कभी भूल भी जाते हैं. लेकिन कंप्यूटर always remembers whatever is given to remember, या जो भी हम उस पर इंफॉर्मेशन वर्कआउट करते हैं या प्रोसेसिंग करते हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें वो याद रखता है. तो इट रिमेंबर्स many things. It can remember many things. वो बहुत सारी चीज़ों को याद रख सकता है. तो here you will put a tick in front of remember and write here REMEMBER, remember. So computer can remember many things. With this, children, question number G is a computer can play games for you. A computer can play games for you. Then computer can remember many things. Computer can remember many things. So with this, children, we have completed this question also. Now at the end we have last one, that is I may we have we have trees and mountains. Trees and mountains are dash things. So children, option A is man-made. Then B we have homemade. And C we have natural. Natural, natural. So children, trees and mountains are dash things. Man-made, sorry, here it should be N. Man-made, homemade or natural. So children, trees and mountains are man-made things. Trees and mountains are man-made things. So this is our last. Choose the correct option, children. With this, we have completed first question of our worksheet. Go through the video, children. Learn all the spellings and read the questions which we have solved here in our first worksheet. Tomorrow we will be solving some more questions. So children, thank you. We will meet once again in our next video.